Weekend comes, it feels so good, but पहले सोना होता है, बिना सोए weekend भी नहीं enjoy कर सकते. So after getting up, I was feeling really fresh, and at night I ordered delicious chicken and I was making it. I really like having chicken, and मेरे को एकदम मधोशी छा जाती है. मैं अच्छा chicken जब भी देखती हूँ. So if you are a chicken lover, then comment. Then I watched my favorite vlogger. I really like Malvika Sitlani and enjoyed my chicken to the fullest. So that was a good night. After dinner, I went to play some TT. I really like TT, but बहुत ज़्यादा नहीं खेला है, but I still like to play it. And after that, we thought playing badminton. कभी कभी बहुत अच्छा लगता है sports खेलने में. I think I should play it often. And after that, me and my friend thought of preparing a dance, which we never completed. And then I went to sleep, but
शुरू करो. हाँ. हाँ. ओ भाई
यार सच में मजा.
रात के कितने बज रहे हैं?
1 सवा 1
भाई एक लाइट चली. सोचा तो उठ के पढ़ेंगे. पढ़ लेंगे.
सोचा था नींद कंप्लीट
6:30 बजे उठना हम लोग सोचे.
तुम 6:30 सोची हो.
हाँ
12 बजे सोने वाले थे ना. बज गया 1.
तो सही में.
और अब लाइट चली गई.
अब लाइट चली गई. अब 2 बज जाएंगे ऐसे ही.
रुक चुके सुबह.
आज तो ये तो तुम हो. अरे मेरे पीछे भूत. डरावना नहीं लग रहा आज तक थोड़ा सा. अभी प्रॉपर प्लानिंग चल रही है हम लोग. ठीक है ना. कैसे बाकी फ्लोर के लोगों को अब डरा.
इसको लेना है. इसको
हर्षिता कैसे बाल कैसे करोगी? यार परफेक्ट.
तू तो
हमको डर लग रहा है तुम्ही से.
खुद ही डर जाए अपने आप. हर्षिता मैं तेरे बालों के पास आऊंगी नहीं बहन.
बालों के बारे आऊंगी चोरी. So then I woke up in the morning and I slept very late. So I woke up late. सारे plans बर्बाद हो गए पढ़ने के. Then I had a cup of tea. It's necessary. After that, I got this new blender and I was really excited to use it. And making chocolate shake first in the morning is so relaxing and it makes me feel so good. Then I took a walk in the garden and honestly बहुत अच्छा लगता है जब आप फ्री होते हो. पढ़ाई का टेंशन नहीं रहता है. I mean, when you get a day off in MBBS, it's like heaven. एकदम I just can't explain that feelings कि आराम से उठो and घूमो. It's just really, really good. How is your studies going? I hope students that are again preparing for NEET or JEE, you must have, बहुत determination के साथ आप दोबारा तैयार कर रहे होगे. And I know taking 2 drops, I know it's very tough to convince yourself again to take a drop and prepare those same things. That's monotonous living and everything. And at this time, you must need someone who motivates you and helps you. So PW brings PW Saarthi program, in which you get dedicated coaches to help you. Now you can connect with them, you can chat with them, or on a live session who can clear your doubts, your concepts and help you in planning too. बचपन में कभी-कभी होता था ना that you were scared of PTM कि teachers क्या बोलेंगे आपके बारे में. But sometimes that actually works a lot, kind of constructive criticism. Now PW Saarthi also brings PTM, which they'll talk to your parents and tell कि आप कितने सही direction में जा रहे हो. They'll also have live sessions on demand, quizzes and mind maps and many things more that will help you give an edge to your preparation. Now when you have this much of syllabus, it's very important to plan things and you have a planner जिसमें आप अपनी progress track कर पाओ. Now PW Saarthi gives you this feature of planner in which you can see your previous, upcoming and all the things that you want to plan in your studies, and also dedicated coaches will help you in making that, and also check कि आप कितना अपने target को complete कर रहे हो. And things does not end only here. There's an ask concept feature in which you can, if आपको परेशानी हो रही किसी topic या sub topic में, then you can understand it from basics. So I feel having a mentor really helps, and I would really suggest you to try this, and do check the description box for the links, and you can use my code TNI150 to get a 150 rupees off. So Sunday is also the cleaning day, and cleaning your surrounding means a lot, because I feel being organized really makes a difference in your productivity. So I like to clean my room regularly once in a week, and this is how my room looks after full cleaning. Then I took a bath and did my skincare. I really like skincare, as you all know.
Everyone's lining up to see her. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her. You see her walking down the boulevard.
And I'm ready. So there's something that I remember just right now. You see this t-shirt Death Note, and when I ordered this t-shirt, so the message came on the day of delivery, death ... will be delivered to you by 25th August. And it was literally so funny. And then after this was delivered, it was, yay, death has been delivered, hope you like the experience. So in the evening we thought, let's go and do some shopping, because Rhapsody was on the way. And then we went out, and first my friend had to get a haircut, so we went to salon and got her a haircut. I was like a good friend, assisting her, being there for her. Then we shopped a lot. After everything we thought, let's go to this epic place called Boombox in Summit, Lucknow, and I danced to my heart out because I really love dancing. और उससे बहुत stress release होता है. I guess the best stress buster is dancing. So yeah, we enjoyed so much. So that's it. Just study hard and then party hard in the weekend. Enjoy, because you won't enjoy if you won't, do mehnat. So first, try to build your life, your career, and then enjoy to the fullest, because you deserve a break after all that mehnat, and you really, really, really deserve it. We danced, we sang all along the ride, and it was a really fun day.